680 solder paste mixer with touch screen. It is suitable for mixing common solder paste. 2. Positive rotation, negative rotation, positive and negative alternation. The screen and the followings are the features of the machine. 1. Touch screen interface, intelligent switch between Chinese and English. 2. Positive rotation, negative rotation, positive and negative alternation, and other operation modes are flexibly selected. New digital setting, accurate setting of running speed and time, real-time display of running status. 4. Intelligent diagnosis, automatic shutdown and warning after operation. Automatic shutdown alarm when abnormal. 5. Safety protection, open cover or emergency stop, immediately stop operation and alarm. Hi everyone, I am Yu Jiang, and currently I am going to show you one of the most professional SMT peripheral equipment created by Southern Machinery, which called SPM680 solder paste mixer with touch screen. It is suitable for mixing common solder paste. 2. Positive rotation, negative rotation,